This week we've been doing a fair bit of drinking and a whole lot of eating. We've been checking out some great beaches too, and Archie's been having the time of his life.
We had an awesome 5 days on Kangaroo Island, but it was time to head off. We took the Sea Link back to the mainland and spent a night in Cape Jervis. We then spent 2 amazing nights at Rapid Bay Campground before heading to McLaren Vale, where we spent Easter there exploring the area and tasting lots of wine.
Hi there and welcome to a new episode. We've just come from Kangaroo Island last week and just set off from Cape Jervis this morning. This week we are going to Rapid Bay.
We just arrived
at Rapid Bay, and we're here for a couple of nights, and then we're going to head up towards Adelaide, first stopping at McLaren Vale for Easter weekend.
Yeah, so we had a long drive this morning from Cape Jervis to Rapid Bay. It took a whole 10 minutes, so that's good to have a short drive, to be honest, a little way.
We didn't have to get up too early this morning.
No, exactly. We've just taken it easy, and hopefully we can get to Rapid Bay. We've heard such good things, so hopefully we pull up. We're just about to pull up and we get a nice nice caravan spot right by the beach.
Yeah, and it's incredible weather. It's supposed to be beautiful for the next few days.
Yeah, it's Adelaide as well. McLaren Vale is going to get up to the 30s, which is really good. We haven't even had a day of 30 yet. So hopefully we can do some swimming and snorkeling, which is long overdue.
Definitely.
So we're just pulling up to Rapid Bay now, so we'll show you the campsite.
So here we are at Rapid Bay Campground. We're just unhitching the caravan. Chris is just levelling it with the jockey wheel, and this is where we are. Pretty close to the beach. In fact, if we were any closer, we would be on the beach. It really is quite spectacular here. A couple of kayakers out on the bay. This is a lovely spot to spend a couple of days.
Here we are. Hey Archie.
You've got small clothes.
Why, hello.
Oh, hello.
Had a swim?
Yes, had a swim. There's a guy out there that's just about to go out snorkeling.
Check out the beach. Literally right on the beach. Look at that. What a spot. Beautiful day. All been for a swim. Archie came in with us. Didn't you? You enjoying yourself, Archie? Hey? Hey, good boy. You are. Bit wet. Bit sleepy. Amazing spot. Alright, just having a leisurely stroll on Rapid Bay Beach. Already this morning I spotted a couple of dolphins out there. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful out here. So, seen a couple of dolphins, walked past a couple of people who'd seen a massive manta ray over here. So I'm going to have a look, check it out, see if I can see him. And just over here behind these rocks, there's a load of little secluded beaches which you can't actually get to besides climbing over the rocks, swimming or kayaking like those guys out there. So I can't stay here without checking these beaches out. So let's see what I can find. Oh, I see some dolphins out there. I don't know if you can see them. There's quite a few. Oh, shame I don't have the drone with me. Oh, there they are. amazing. This cave is awesome. Just crawling along the rocks just to find this cave. I think at one point there used to be a swing here as well. Just going in. Check that out. How good is that? Totally worth climbing all of those rocks for. Totally. And there's so many dolphins out there as well. Loads of dolphins. Keep popping up. It's amazing. I want to head back and maybe get the drone up, see if I can catch any. But anyway, better make my way back. Oh, let's do it. We're on the jetty at the moment, the new jetty, built in 2009. The old one is over there, which isn't really suitable for walking on.
No.
But it's amazing, isn't it?
And there's the old quarry just up there on the hill where they used to bring stone down and send it out on ships, which they took along the jetty.
So we've had an amazing couple of nights at Rapid Bay. This place is just so amazing. There's just dolphins everywhere. The water's beautiful. It's just lovely.
The water's really calm, so it's lovely to have a paddle or a swim in, and it's so sort of secluded as well.
Yeah, we've had a few swims here, and the water temperature is amazing. Yeah,
and there's not much wind either because, there's not much wind either because it's sort of surrounded by hills. I'll just turn this round so you can see. So when the sun's out, you can't really beat this place.
But we're packing up and we'll soon head to McLaren Vale. So we've got our biggest stop of probably the entire trip so far, which is 5 nights at McLaren Vale. So we're going to do a lot of wine tasting.
But yeah, we are really looking forward to McLaren Vale too. So
yeah, we love McLaren Vale, and it's just just be nice to stop there for 5 nights and just do some wine tasting and have a look around.
Also some washing.
Yeah, some washing. Looking forward to that. And yeah, we'll hit the roads shortly and be on our way.
Yep. In the meantime, we might go for a quick paddle.
Let's do it.
Okay. So our first day out in McLaren Vale, and I don't think we could have chosen a better day for it. Everybody is happy.
This is the first stop of many.
Yep, so we're here at Thompson's Hall Winery, and so far so good. We have a bit of a tasting board here, and we are just tasting the Grenache.
Very tasty. The cold Grenache.
Yeah, which is really delicious. So this is definitely a good start to a lovely Easter Saturday.
Yeah. Here we are at our next stop, Beresford. This one should be good.
So we've made a start here at Beresford on the Shiraz and chocolate tasting menu. They actually have loads of different tastings. They've got some wine tastings, some beer tastings and some spirit tastings, and also do some food too. So I think we might pop back here later this weekend. It's a really nice vibe too. You've got the estate over on the hill, surrounded by vineyards. Yeah, really good. Well, here we are, 1 month into the trip.
Yeah, already. It's gone so quickly. I kind of feel like it's the Sunday night before work on Monday.
No, we've still got 11 months to go.
Good.
We're okay.
Excellent.
We're okay. So we're at Sellex Beach at the moment, just south of Adelaide, and we thought it was worth just having a quick recap on the first month. So obviously we had a new caravan, new car, we've used the tent. Pretty much everything we were doing was for the first time.
Yes, we've had a bit of taste of everything now, and I think we've gotten used to the caravan and tenting and everything. So there's things that we love about a caravan. There's things that we probably don't love so much and need to get fixed a little bit. But all in all, I don't think we've had too many issues at all, really. It's been pretty smooth sailing so far.
We're really happy with the layout of the caravan that we chose, which I think we'll cover in maybe next week's episode.
Yeah, we'll do a bit of a tour around so you can get an idea of what we're living in.
And how we're using everything.
Yeah. And what we'd change, if anything, and what we're glad we went with. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah, and I think for us, 2 adults with a dog as well, going with a dual cab ute was a really good idea. The tub is fantastic in terms of all of our camping gear that we're keeping in the car.
Yeah.
And Archie has the back seat.
Yeah, it's a good flexibility. We can keep all the stuff in the boot and just go anywhere. We haven't really had any restrictions. I mean, traveling with the dog has been a bit difficult in some parts. We don't like to leave him alone at all. So when we do, we try and minimize it as much as possible. So Hannah, putting you under the pump, your favourite place so far, where is it?
Oh, probably favourite place, Rapid Bay, but place I'd like to go back and see more of and do more of, I think Warrnambool.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't expecting that. Well, I'd probably have to say Kangaroo Island's been my favourite so far. The wildlife, it seriously has some of the best beaches I've ever seen. And totally no word to a lie. There are amazing, amazing beaches. But
that being said, we're on an amazing beach right now.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, but I don't know. Kangaroo Island takes them to another level, so that's probably the favourite for me. And I really enjoyed doing the tenting, camping a little bit. That was a bit fun, a bit different. So far, travelling with the dog's been fine. We've had a few restrictions here and there, but overall, especially in Adelaide and South Australia in general, they're so dog friendly, aren't they?
I think the key thing with the dog is just plan ahead a bit.
Yeah.
Check where you're going before you go to see what the deal is there.
Yeah, and just if you want to see national parks, just have an option, whether it's a dog sitter or we've spoken to some people with dogs at the caravan parks, and they've been willing to look after Archie if we need. So in that sense, it's you just got to plan ahead.
Here we are at Darrenburg at the Cube. It's a real centre for modern art here in Adelaide. So they've had the Salvador Dali sculptures here since the start of 2019. And they've got a long-term art exhibition here as well. So they've actually got a local Australian artist who painted the Cube, and he actually did it with all of these black flying umbrellas coming off the top. So the owner of the Cube thought, oh, that looks pretty cool, and went and put some black umbrellas on the top of the Cube.
Yeah, okay, let's go get some wine.
Okay.
You hungry, Archie?
Well, here we are at the end of another week.
Another week done. It's flying, isn't it?
Yep, so we're here at Southport Beach at Port Noarlunga, just south of Adelaide.
Yeah, we thought we'd come and check out the sunset, and it has not disappointed whatsoever.
No,
There are loads of other
good
people.
one.
Yeah, loads of other people here as well checking it out. So yeah, thanks for watching again.
Yep, and we look forward to seeing you next week.
Yeah, please like and subscribe and leave us a comment. Yeah, next week is the Barossa, so looking forward to some more wine because we haven't had enough yet.
Definitely.
So we'll see you next week.
Bye.
See ya.